Rene here, and I am here to put together the May Craft with Heart kit called Sweet Girl. It's the cut above layout kit. I love these things. They are so easy and fast. The kit comes with every single thing you need except for adhesive, and I might pop some stuff up on foam tape. And that's really all you need. Maybe a pair of scissors, and I do like to use my reverse tweezers. So I think that's pretty much all we're going to need. I am going to use a little bit of liquid glue today because I think there are some small pieces that would make it a lot easier. And then I also always have my little powder tool around so that I can take some of the stickers and just turn them into die cuts. So, because I like to do that. So we'll put that off to the side. So we are going to put together these two layouts, so 4 total pages. And I really love this one. There's a lot of really cute, wait till you get to that bunny. I just love that bunny. So I'll put some music on for you and get to putting stuff together. Enjoy. Okay, so this turned out really cute. This is layout 2 actually, so I'll show you those. I love that bunny. I wish they would come out with a stamp of this bunny. I would make a million bunnies and put them on everything. So, but what I did change on this one is, you see I pulled the sticker off so you could see exactly what this said. It says My Girl, and that's supposed to go up here on the top with this little flower here on the edge of the banner, of the title, I mean. I don't have very many girls in my family. Maybe, yeah, I have one niece and all the rest are boys. So I really don't have a lot of call for girl layouts, but we are going to Biltmore in North Carolina for a week, and it's time for all the flowers and everything to be in bloom. So I thought maybe this would be a really good layout for some of the stuff we do at Biltmore. I put the You Are Loved on with just a little tiny bit of adhesive so I could take it off if I decided I wanted to do a different sentiment. Another thing I can do to keep this wood grain is to stamp a sentiment in white, just a little bit smaller than this, cut it down, and then use this as a frame and just put it right over the top of that. So, and I love the way these flowers are done. These look so cute. I love those. So that is layout 2. And then let me show you layout 1. Layout 1 turned out so cute as well. This one is lovely. Just adorable, so precious, and I love the little bugs that have the wood grain finish behind them. I'm not sure if you can really see. I'll try to put one closer. The wood grain finish is, I'm not sure, there we go. See if we can get ourselves. So the wood grain finish behind these bugs are so cute. Again, if they had these bugs as stamps, I would stamp them on everything. So this one turned out really cute as well. Now, one of the techniques that I was doing was I was using double of the glue dots. If you do that, you will get a little more dimension, but not as much dimension as with foam tape. So I thought the size of these pieces really didn't lend themselves all that well to using foam tape. So I thought that would be a really good solution to that. Oh, and something else. You will see, I always say build from the back. Well, I completely missed that this pink strip or peach color strip and this blue sticker were behind here, and until I already had other stuff down, and then I was like, oh, well, I'll just leave it off. Well, that won't work because the other page has it, and it's part of the continuation to keep the pages cohesive but still different. So you can fix stuff. I could have pulled this up, but I had already put the flower down, so I thought, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna cut it. No one will ever know that it's not behind there. So that's how I fixed that. So I hope you enjoyed this layout set. This is the Cut Above layout kit for the Craft with Heart subscription service. Now this is the May kit. You can no longer get the May kit, but I just wanted to show you how easy and fast it is to make these. I made these, even with all my mistakes, in about 35 minutes. I sped it up, of course, so it didn't take as long for you to watch me doing it, but it was still only 35 minutes. When was the last time that you did 4 complete pages, 2 full layouts in 35 minutes? It's crazy. And everything, the prep time on this was so minimal. I think I spent maybe 5 minutes punching the die cuts out of the sheet, and then just using my scissors to take off the little nubbies that are left. And that was it. It's so easy, so fast, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you have a great day, and please subscribe. Let me know what you think, if these are videos that you like seeing. And I do have a new camera. My past few videos have been with my new camera, so let me know what you think of it. It is a DJI Osmo Pocket, so it's actually like a GoPro almost, but it's on a gimbal, and we wanted to get something that we could use for various things. So let me know what you think. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.